Saan mo boses? Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Vilma Santos, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 39 years old, ma'am.
What is your education level?
I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
Can you read and write English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you married or single?
Single, ma'am.
Where did you stay? In the province or here in Manila?
Manila, ma'am.
Do you have experience before working here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Other country?
No, ma'am.
How long you work here in the Philippines?
2 years, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of food?
Any kind of food, ma'am.
Do you know how to take care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the baby you took care?
2 years old, ma'am.
Who is the baby?
Lawyers, ma'am.
Do you like to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to take care of elder people?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the elder people?
8 years old, ma'am.
Who is the elder people?
Lawyers, ma'am.
Do you willing to help elder people take a bath?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you car wash?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you drive a car?
No, ma'am.
Can you ride bicycle?
No, ma'am.
Can you finish your contract for 2 years?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke cigarette?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of feet like dog?
No, ma'am.
Do you have allergies?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to garden or any knowledge in gardening?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to bring friends inside the house or any place near to the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why do you want to work in other country? Explain why.
Because I want to earn money because my parents.